Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. We're going to show you the IGLA 231 installed on the Subaru WRX STI 2016. This vehicle is manual transmission, so we've installed the IGLA. It's also a regular key vehicle, not a push button, but the IGLA works pretty much on any vehicle. What it does is going to shut off the engine if the car drives away. Now there's two options to activate the IGLA and drive away. First is having this fob. In this case, we took out the battery, so the fob won't be recognized right now. And the second option is a combination of buttons on either a steering wheel or emergency brake, and every vehicle has different combination of buttons. Now I'm going to show you what happens if I don't have that button. So let's say I got this key from the owner, and I'm trying to drive away without knowing the combination of codes. The car will start, but after a few seconds it will cut off in this case, it will cut off the fuel pump and shut off. The car will start. I'm going to start driving. Put the car here. Okay, I'm going to try reverse. And you can see the engine stalled. Basically, the fuel pump stopped working, and now the system is no longer letting the vehicle drive. Now, if I want to be able to drive away, I need to put the code. In this case, I used the rear defrost. So I'm going to press the rear defrost button. The combination we did in this case is 4 buttons, but you can have it in different buttons, and you can have it up to 20 presses. And vehicle starts. I can normally drive. No problem. I have no issue. Okay. The IGLA system is available at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.